Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today will be a very short video. We want to learn how to make use of Messi browser. And with Messi browser, you can install any Chrome extension. So with this lecture, you'll be able to install Chrome extension and use it for other activities. So the first thing you do, go to your Play Store to check for Messi browser. Okay, if you see, mine is already installed. Mine is already installed. If you see it installed. So just go to your Play Store and install it. Then you click open. So this is my Messi browser. So the first thing you do in your Messi browser, the first important place in your Messi browser is this place. Is this place. You click it. If you see, I have different extension installed. You see, go through. You see, I have Grass, I have Node extension, MetaMask. So these are the extensions installed on my Messi browser. So today we are going to install Sui Wallet. So what we'll do, just click on this extension at the top of here. Look at this extension. You see extension, click it there. So it will bring you to here. This place shows you all the extensions I've installed. So you can remove any extension. If I don't like an extension again, I can remove it. So you click remove it, go out. But now we want to install. So how do we install? If you see this developer mode is switched off, switch it on. Switch it on by this, clicking this. Switch it on there, switch it on. So under this interface, you click from store. You will now go to the store. Go to the store. In the store, that's where you see the Google Chrome extension you need. So click store. So before the advent of Messi browser, we can only do this on laptop, but Messi browser have made it easy for us to use our phone. So what you do is you click here. You click on the search bar. That's the search bar. You can increase your phone, put in your two hands and increase it. So on this search bar, I type Sui and I search Sui wallet. You search. So Sui wallet is out. All these wallets are Sui wallet. But this is the main Sui wallet. So you click on that. So you see this blue check mark here. This blue place. Let's expand it. You want to expand, put your two hands on your phone. The way you expand is a picture. So you say add to Chrome. So you click it. You see it now. Then you expand your picture on your phone. Just put your two fingers and spread it. It will expand. So you click add to Chrome. Chrome Google add. It can wait. Okay. We add. Okay. So it is added. So it is added now. So it's not asking you to create your wallet. your Sui wallet. So you create your Sui wallet. Hmm? So you create your Sui wallet. Normal as the way we normally create our wallet. You click. Make sure you always copy your passphrase and keep it on a piece of paper. So you open it. These are your passphrase. You copy it and put it on a piece of paper so that next time you can use it. If you lost this phone, once you have this passphrase, you can use it. Anybody that has this passphrase has your token. We've discussed it so many times. So always keep your passphrase safe. So you copy it down. So click next, put a password that you like. So that's my password. So you have created your Sui wallet. So this is your Sui wallet. So to show that you have created your Sui wallet, you have to click here. Click it. So you see Sui wallet. Sui wallet is right here. That's your Sui wallet. So that's how to create your full, and that's how to use your Messi browser. So this applies to everything that any Chrome extension you want to use. You know, we're doing Grass and NotePay. This is how to create it. The same